Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel, One Man Trader, and today trading two instruments, and the right micro Nasdaq and the left micro gold. Just entered one trade long, 5 contract Nasdaq, and then expecting another 5 contracts right there, so 10 in total, and then I placed another 5 beneath it around that 200 moving average. And for gold, want to try another 3 contracts long as the shift of the momentum from bearish to bullish. I want to take advantage of that, see what's going on. And for Nasdaq, I have some strong arguments right there, so beautiful confirmations. I have not only the pivot points of the day, but I also have the moving averages from the 20, the 50, and the 200. So all of them placed right there, so as a beautiful support, while gold only have the pivot points of the daily pivot points as a support. Is the market gonna respect that, then bounce back up, or gonna break it? We'll see. Stay tuned. So just a couple minutes before the opening of the market today is Friday, and the opening market I'm talking about is the US market. So stay tuned, see what's going on. So Nasdaq is now showing a little bit of profit, going a little bit higher by the entry points, while gold is going against me a little bit. And then see now I just place my stop loss a little bit lower, something that I manage always. So now I just can notice that I switch from E-minis to micro. So micro, or like micro, is it give me the room for the drawdown, and then place add contract accordingly or whatever. So that's something that I like a lot. So here you go. I add another 3 contracts for gold and see what's going to happen. So there you go. So now is the opening of the US market. You see how E-mini or micro Nasdaq how we're reacting. You see all this drawdown, and then kind of test the 200 EMA or 200 moving average, see if it's gonna break it or not. Gold, yes. So basically gold wasn't like 100% having a strong argument for the gold, but you see, yes, haven't done with the gold just yet. So look what the Nasdaq is testing. Is the pivot point again when I reach it, and from that there is a shift. Then my now 15 contracts with Nasdaq, I added another 5, which is 20 contracts, and then you put another 5 just to release it. Look at the gold. I decided to enter second time, 3 contracts this time only, and see what's going on. Just put a little bit room for the drawdown and see what's going on, if the market gonna go my direction or not. There you go. So now 20 contracts in total for Nasdaq. I placed 5 contracts as target number 1, target number 2, and see if the market gonna reach it, yes and no. But so far Nasdaq, I'm kind of confident about the Nasdaq, just waiting for the gold to confirm. They go first, target almost hit, that's good. 15 contract left. Gold, yes, added another 3 contracts. Now see, and then place my target number 1. See what's the Nasdaq gonna do with my target number 2. So gold is reaching my target 1 beautifully. If that hit, gonna cover for the losses of the previous trade, so the losing trade that we had, so it's gonna cover for the losses. So now there is a confirmation from Nasdaq that's going straight to my second target. First target gold been hit, cover the losses, so the Nasdaq is taking off pretty good. Let's do that. Good, awesome. Another target hit, hopefully the last one too. We stopped out, gold stopped out. $1,500 profit in total. Thank you guys for watching. Share, like, and subscribe, and always remember to trade safely. Take care for now.